My friend sent me a picture of Valentine's Day look, and here it is. She got it off of TikTok, which is totally fine. I don't know who the original creator is, so yeah. But I'm going to be recreating it. I already moisturized, and I also put on some chapstick. Of course, pin the hair up, because girlie's got some hair. I'm just going to spot conceal a little bit with the Trees Liquid Camouflage High Coverage in the shade Fair Irony. Just doing that on like the zits that you can really see, which is just these two to be honest. And then I don't know, just a couple on my forehead. And then I need a concealer brush. Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Fair Irony 105. Never mind, I don't need to sneeze, okay. Oh, 16-hour Camo Concealer Matte Finish in Fair Warm. I think a bit too much. Cut a Airspun Faceless Pattern Changeless Extra Coverage. Eyebrows. Profusion Brow Complete Brow Kit. Taking these two, mixing it. It ain't my fault. I gotta eat a little bitch. That's my boo, that's my slime, that's my everything. That's my bitch forever, don't need a wedding ring. I give her the world, polka dots and I know pajamas. The brow gel from the brow kit. The Strobing and Shading Highlight / Contour Palette by Absolute New York. And I just take this shade and this shade, and those are Rosé and Bell's Eye. Dandelion Benefit. I'm also going to be mixing let's go with Baby Doll from the Beauty Treats Fierce and Flawless palette. Pink shade right here, just to add some color. Now that my cheeks are rosy, gotta bring out the Halloween makeup for this look. Let's start off with the eyeshadow, which is pink. I'm just gonna be using this palette for most of the video. If I do change the palette, then I will let you guys know. I'm gonna use Fiery, which is a shade, as the crease color. I'm not gonna copy the look exactly. I'm gonna kind of do like my own thing as well, but most of it's gonna be like what that. And I'm gonna build the pigment up. And I'm gonna take Sassy and add that to the crease as well, just a little bit above it so it blends out and diffuses properly. I'm gonna take Scarlet, add that to my lid. Okay, I'm gonna put some foundation on my back of my hand. I'm just gonna draw like a couple hearts on my eyes. I'm not gonna put any on my lids, just right here. Too Faced Life's a Festival Peace Loving Unicorns palette. I'm gonna take Mystical Rain, which is this pink shimmer shade, and add that to my lid. Beeman and Unicorn Tears and add that to my inner corner. Just any black will work. I'm just gonna do like a little liner and then also like give like a fox eye look. There's the eyeshadow for right now. I'm gonna outline where I want the thing to be. The outline for the bottom half. I'm not going to start the bottom half yet, but yeah. And we're going to do the clown look, and we're going to go back into the Beauty Shades Fierce and Flawless Beauty Vault. Go back into Fiery, little triangle. When you're doing this, make sure you're looking forward and not on the side, because you're going to end up doing something like me and putting it on the side. So I'm going to start by drawing like a line to where I want the triangles to begin and end. And then you just draw the triangles. I'm going to be making the points hearts. I'm going to take Fiery and Sassy, which is these two. And I'm going to be making a heart. Let's take white cream makeup and we're just going to put that on the bottom right here. We're gonna add some polka dots to the eyeshadow. I'm gonna take a little break, so I'm gonna set this off camera. So I'm gonna use the light touch powder colorless, just so like when I come back it's good. So I took a little food break, so. So I'm going to take a little like fluffy brush. I think it's baby doll. Yeah, baby doll. Right here. And I'm going over the outline of where this is. And just outline it with some black. Smoke Show in the Charlotte and Bloom palettes. I'm gonna go over it again with the pink just to kind of blend it. Do is outline this. Just the triangles though, not the hearts. Looks like this, like the mouth like looks like that. I don't know if I want to do that though. So let's do the lips. I'm gonna do it like this, like black and pink. An Ione liquid lipstick. This is in pink nude. Going back into the Fierce and Flawless Beauty Vault. Fiery. which is this shade again, doing hard on her nose. Lightly outline the heart. I'm going to be adding glitter and gems. Glitter I'm going to be adding on right here where the hearts are. Just using some lash glue and then using a sponge applicator.
A few moments later.
Now for the lashes, wait, actually, we forgot the gems. I got this off of Shein. That's so cute. Okay, now I need to find lashes that are gonna look good with this look. Now I'm gonna put the glue on, so I used the Kiss last strip adhesive one. Okay, so while those are getting tacky and drying, I need a vanity. Upa Bane Heaven Chew highlight palette, and take like the white shades in here. Put a little bit on the heart, just so like gives it a glow. Cupid's bow, just like anywhere what I would like normally put highlight. Okay, this should be tacky enough now. So here's the makeup up close. So cute. This will look so cute. Very Valentine's Day. I'll put some more pictures up so you guys can see it a little bit more clearer. If you guys enjoy, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you guys are notified every time I upload. I upload every single Sunday and Wednesday at 2:35 Mountain Standard Time, so make sure the bell is on. Follow my TikToks. My main is Queen Alexia _YTT, and my beauty TikTok is Queen Beauty _YT. So make sure you go follow my beauty TikTok so you can see the TikTok I made with this cute little look. But I'll see you next time. Bye!